Hi, I think it's key that at VMware, like the rest of the IT industry, we recognise that the role of the CIO is changing. And I think from a personal perspective, I see it changing in at least 3, if not 4 dimensions. I think as the role becomes more business focused, there's a need to have a board level CIO whose primary focus is to understand the business that he's operating in or she's operating in, or also the industry they're operating in and how technology can help drive the business forward, both from a cost saving perspective, but more importantly in the future, how to drive new business drives to drive business at the front end. The second dimension is really around the technology. I think while that individual has that skill set, they also need somebody in the organization who has a focus on the future of the technology and how those technologies can be brought into the business context, and hence the role of the CTO. Also with businesses whose primary focus is in the consumer space, but also if they're using technology in how they run their business outwards, there's much more of a need for a chief digital officer as well to understand the trends that are affecting the consumerization of IT, how they embrace that in avoiding shadow IT, and how they bring real benefit to the users, but also their customers through using technology. I think the fourth piece, which is becoming much more important, is the CISO, or the CISO, not normally associated with the CIO, but becoming much more important in understanding the regulatory compliance and security aspects of how technology is being employed in their businesses. These trends are further impacted by the emergence of public cloud and how that's being used in their organizations. And within those 4 roles, all 4 roles need to view the public cloud and the use of those technologies as part of the way in which they will be embracing IT moving forward. Today, the majority of the business-based applications still reside in the private data center, but more and more consumer IT, but also new applications are being developed in the public cloud. And the CIO and the team of people around him or her need to understand how that's impacting their ability to run their business moving forward.